Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another Deadpool Mania unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing and reviewing something amazing and mind-blowing. Today we're going to be checking out a licensed Marvel Deadpool 3D Mask Deco Night light manufactured by 3D Light Effects. And I'm eager to check this out and add this to my unique one-of-a-kind Deadpool collection. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging, which seems to be premium as always. This amazing Deadpool 3D night lamp comes in a signature Marvel window type boxing with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at this packaging before we check out this beauty. And with that out of the way, and as we crack this thing open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these electronic collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, I'm really excited as this episode yet again has to do with the Merc with a mouth. It's none other than Deadpool. Today, the quirky characteristics of the popular Marvel Comics character, Deadpool, comes in a 3D night lamp molded mask that you can add to your room deco, which is manufactured by 3D Light Effects. This premium night lamp showcases the face of the Merc with the mouth, and this will earn you appreciations from your guests, and on the whole will satisfy you if you're a Deadpool or a Marvel fan. It also features a cracked sticker that makes it seem like Deadpool's face has smashed through the wall. This sounds really fun. Well, this would be yet another amazing addition to any Deadpool or Marvel fans collection, and this makes me all the more happy because I collect only Deadpool collectibles and merch. So let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing product and run through a few features. Popularly known as the Merc with the Mouth, Deadpool has always been an unusual character that has gained appreciation among both kids and adults. Your little ones will love this wall decoration light from 3D Light Effects that displays the face of Deadpool. This package includes one night light, one cracked sticker, screws, and wall plugs. His mask here comes in the traditional red and black colors with the expressive eye sockets that lights up, which makes it an amazing choice that will go well with the Deadpool theme. This interior wall light is cordless for convenience and operates solely on batteries. Now you can incorporate a dynamic touch to your own room deco and go wire-free at the same time, speaking of which it is easy to install. And I'll show you how that's done. And all I can say is that you will not face any trouble while installing this Deadpool themed wall light from 3D Light Effects. All you gotta do is evenly lay out the cracked decal sticker on the wall and follow the step-by-step instruction, as this is one of the main features of this decorative light. And this decorative lamp can be the key to breaking the monotony of your living space. This wall light comes with a plastic and metal cover that renders it sturdy. The plastic body makes it light in weight while also giving off a beautiful luminous effect when the lights are switched off. And this Deadpool 3D face mask lamp measures in at 10 inches in height, 6.5 inches in width, has a depth of about 4 inches, and weighs in at about 460 grams. And you don't have to worry about receiving an accidental burn while adjusting the light. This wall light from 3D Light Effects does not heat up, thus making it a smart option. You do not even have to change the bulbs, so think no further. This impressive Deadpool themed wall light can give the wall of your room a trendy makeover. When LED lights are on, it seems like Deadpool is staring right down at you. This subtle effect further refines the ambience of your room and boasts the luminous distinct effect. Or even if you choose not to keep the light on, this still makes an awesome addition to your deco and will look amazing all the same. This amazing decorative wall light comes with LED lights that can run up to 100 hours without exhausting. The battery operated light needs 3 AAA batteries to function. I'm overall impressed with this one-of-a-kind licensed Deadpool Mask Night lamp, and I'm also glad I made a choice to get this and add it to my Deadpool memorabilia and merch collection. So with that being said, let's take a look at how we could set this up. And as we take a look at how we're going to set this up, kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium Deadpool 3D lamp in the description below. Well, this is the cracked sticker decal that is provided with this kit, but in this case I'm not going to be using it, and I'll show you what I've got in store for this. And besides this, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this amazing and one-of-a-kind Deadpool 3D lamp, and I give it a massive thumbs up, be it for quality, build and even the price. And now let me show you how I plan to set up and house this beauty, so here we go. And here are a few fun facts. Deadpool, who is Wade Wilson, is a fictional character appearing in an American comic books published by Marvel Comics. Created by writer Fabian Nicieza and artist-writer Rob Liefeld, the character first appeared in the New Mutants number 98. The character is known as a merc with a mouth because of his tendencies to talk and joke constantly, including breaking the 4 walls of humorous effect and running gags. And kindly check the link in the description for more. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Deadpool 3D mask lamp that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing product and how would you put this to use. And now let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing licensed Deadpool 3D night lamp in its current setup with the LED lights on and off. And please do let me know in the comments below as to which mode you like it on better. Well, all I can say is wow. This 3D Deadpool night lamp is simply amazing and elevates my Deadpool setup to the next level. And that's my opinion, but let me know what you think in the comments below. And on a different note, I hope you're enjoying this Deadpool Mania series. If you do, please support Dnation and show some love by smashing that like button and sharing our videos. And also do let me know in the comments below as to if you would like to see an episode 2 of this Deadpool Mania series. And most importantly, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and none of this would be possible without you. Kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our content, and stay tuned for a lot more fun stuff coming up. And this brings us to the end of this unique and amazing unbox and review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.